Oh Father dear, we're here today to offer you our hearts of clay, the little love that they contain. We bring to you despite our shame. For in this love, oh Lord, we see our self-directed charity, our secret partiality, our hidden greed. Oh Lord, do take this stony heart, then in your plan we'll have a part, infuse in them the blazing fire of selfless love. And here's our life, and here's our toil, the fruit of sweat upon the soil, the joy we have in giving free, attempts to conquer misery, our fight to live a life that's pure, and more our struggle to endure, when we are tempted to despair and give up prayer. Oh Lord, do take our tribulation and our life's determination, and our hearts will be at peace within your love.